Good everyone. In this preview, so this is going to be last December 27. It was some of the things that the Lord has wanted for us to know about 2025. Today, this is going to be our preview video for may mga changes tayo for 2025. So, like in our Facebook, sabi nila, the Lord really wanted an alternative view, so alternative topic. So, sabi daw, ang tao daw, mabilis magsawa, di sige, adjust tayo. Sa mag-asawa nga lang, marami doon nagsasawaan. So, ang tanong kasi nila sa akin, bakit ba mabilis magsawa ang tao sa relationship? Or hindi lang relationship, sa marriage, not just in a erotic kind of relationship like marriage does. It's also applied to the friendly relationship, so like the fiduciary relationship as well. In the fiduciary kasi sabi ni Lord, a change of interest and a bigger offer will be the main driving factors for this one. So, wala naman big deal. But sabi ni Lord, bakit naman magkakaibigan daw para nagsasawaan? Biruin mo, 20 years mo ng kaibigan, tapos all of a sudden, FO, bigla, friendship over daw. So, change of interest lang ba yun? Or there might be something else? Kasi sabi sa Lord, a friendship that lasted more than 5 years has already intervened by God. Meron ng intervention ng God sa mga magkakaibigan na lumagpas na ng 5 taon. So, ayan yung ilan sa mga i-delve with natin in Uranology. What are some of the bonds that the Lord has made or has allowed in humans that eventually it was brought to earth, pero we don't know that we have changed it or altered it through time. Ayan ang ilan sa gustong italakay ni Lord kasi marami kasi sa mga tao na ako-confused dito. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng bond? And makakakala nyo, blood is thicker than water? No. Nagmula lang kayo doon, pero it doesn't necessarily mean that doon din kayo magtatapos. No. The bond that the Lord tells me, may kinalaman din siya sa interest ng tao na kasi yung interest ng tao is different according to culture, according to how he or she decided about her life. But the bonds that the Lord has made or allowed has already planned. Siguro a year before you were there. So, ayan yung ilan sa mga pag-uusapan natin about Uranology. And then, that's the first day. And then the second day is all about, well, simply what the Lord wants to say. It could be elsewhere in the Philippines. It could be elsewhere in the world. It could be elsewhere in the ocean. It could be elsewhere in the remote islands. It could be elsewhere in the animals. It could be elsewhere in the angels. It could be elsewhere in the clouds, in the sky, because everything is God's creation, as we remember. Pwede ka siya magsabi ng gusto niya about sa clouds. Pwede siya magsabi ng kahit ano about sa second heaven. The Lord can say anything to me about the stars, the sun. We don't know. Sabi ko, I don't know. It's a lot. Because at the end of the day, everything is His creation. So, if there's any creation, or any being that I can trust about it is the Lord Himself. Siya naman may gawa lahat . The Lord will discuss how Satan tries to distort God's creation. But at the end of the day, only God can reign. Any decision by Satan can be allowed by the Lord or he can reject. But not the other way around. Satan cannot reject God's decision. Tandaan yan. The Lord can reject Satan's decision, but Satan cannot reject the Lord's decision. So ano ba tong preview na to for 2025? So, first day, Uranology. Second day, it's, sabi nyo sa akin na, ako na bahala. Pwede mo kang i-title na lang random video eh. So, kasi random video talaga. Sabi ni Lord, pwede rin daw sa isang tao. Pwede rin daw sa isang simbahan kung kailangan sabihin. Do not worry, i-anonymous naman daw ni Lord, pero dapat alam na nila yun. Yan. Magsasabi din siya ng mga sikat na tao na pupunta rin sa impyerno by next year para iwasan nyo na rin yung mga tao or organizations na yun. So, that will be part of the Lord's commitment in 2025, which is the year of uncertainty. Hindi niya alam eh. So, yun lang naman. Sa ngayon ha. Thank you and God bless. Probably, this video is going to be uploaded January 2 to 4 within those time frame. So, yun lang naman.